have dating games like hot and cold, push and pull away become the social norms for building relationships? And do you think that these things, as we discussed earlier, that these things are taking the essence out of relationships? And how is it, means how can a person be honest and genuine about one's feelings in this time, right now?
It takes courage to be honest. You cannot have a relationship that involves push and pull and hot and cold. Games do not equate to anything other than game. So I have a saying, okay, games get games, real gets real. You can't put bait on the end of a hook and expect to catch a certain fish if it's the wrong bait. So anybody who's willing to go along with a game either is unconscious or doesn't know what's going on. Most people who fall for games are incapable of being in a committed relationship because they lack the fortitude and the honesty and the courage to speak their truth. Maybe they don't know what they want. Maybe they're just dating for fun. But whatever it is, they're not being clear and they're not being honest, and they're certainly not being intentional. But hot and cold, all these games don't function as a foundation for a real relationship.
Okay.
They are the outcome of people who don't know what to do and want to protect their ego. That's all they are.